We'll guide you through how to add music to a TikTok video. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on TikTok. So you can go and add songs or music to your video. We're going to guide you through the different ways you can do this and how you can go and edit it as well. If there's a trending music or song, then you can go and get more reach with it, or maybe you just want to go and make your video to it. It doesn't matter. So we're going to guide you through this step by step, make sure there's full guides you can go and know how you can go about this. So to go and get started, you can go down to the middle at the bottom and you can go and press the plus button like so. Right at the bottom, you can go and select post. Then you can go and choose the length here. Now, the first way you can do this is before recording, because if you're trying to go and lip sync to the song, or you're just trying to record it while it's playing, you can go to the top and you can go and press add sound. Now you can go and look at For You here, but what you can also do is go and change to hot. So this is going to be trending sounds, and you can go through favorites as well. So you can go and find one you want. You can go and click on it. You can go and press the scissors icon to the right, and you can then go and choose the part you want to go and use. And then you can go and press the tick, swipe down, and you can see that it's now selected at the top. So what I could do is go and start recording, and it's going to go and start playing while I'm recording. So that's really cool. You can then go and press the tick in the bottom right. And what you can then do is go and press the edit button in the top right, just below the gear or cog icon. And then you can have the sound at the bottom, and you can go and start editing that. I'll show you that more in a moment. Alternatively, what you can do is you can go and do this if you've already recorded, or if you've gone and got videos in your gallery you're trying to do this with. So I can start recording now, or I could open up my gallery in the bottom left. I could go and find a video I want to do this with, for example, this here. I could go and scroll up and find something else if I wanted to as well. Then if you've already added it, you can go and it may automatically add a song. At the top, I can press the cross, then press add sound. And I can then go once again through the different categories, whether it's to hot, for you, favorites, and recent as well. And then what you can do is go and choose the one you want. And once again, you can go and edit it over to the right by using the scissor icon and choosing the part you want. What you can also do at the bottom here is you can go and select original to go and mute the original sound from the video. Choose the sound if you want to go and mute that. And you can also go and press volume, and you can go and balance it between the original and the sound if you want to. So you don't want, in some cases, the speaking, it may go and drown it out. So you can go and adjust that to your liking and press done. Then what you can also do is press the edit button in the top right, as I did before. You can tap on it and you can go and drag to go and choose when it goes and starts. And what you can also do as well is you can go and adjust the part that's used. So there we go. You can then go and keep editing and go and post it.